Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss session highs and lows, right? So without wasting time, let's get started. So in today's video I will show you that how you can find your session highs and lows. Okay, because on sessions highs and lows there are buy side liquidity on the high and sell side liquidity on the low, and most of the liquidities are always at Asian session high and Asian session low. So to find out that what's session high and low, you can use this indicator which I use. One is this time zone which helps me to get this New York open, okay, and the second one is Asian session range, right? So you have to go on indicators and type Asian session range, okay, and then you have to do the setting and then you're ready to go, right? So now how it works. So the first thing is you have to go with your bias. Bias is universal, right? But sometimes it will help you to get your trades, it will help you to frame your trades. So this how it happens, okay? So if you look at this, okay, the bias was bullish, right? And now if you can see this, I will zoom in a little bit. This was the low of the Asian session, right? This one, wait, I should do this. Yeah, this one was the low of the Asian session, okay? So when it took this low, right, and then it got into that bias and then it shorts to the upside, you know, like in daily time frame you would have got some fair value gap over here, okay? That's another confluences, but this is one more confluence which you can use, that when look for the Asian session highs and lows, because the London session makes the low or the high of the day, okay? So you have to find these type of trades when the price is taking the Asian session high or low and with the bias. So if I want to show you, wait, hold on, like this how I mark, and let's go on 5-minute chart. Yes, this one, okay. Let's zoom in a little bit. See, look at this. So over here there was no entry pattern, but if we go for more into 2-minute time frame, you can find one. I hope so. We can go back further. Yes, we can. No, we cannot go till that far. Yeah, see over here. So on 3-minute chart, let's see. Yeah, there was no fair value gap, but this is how it works, okay? And I will show you more examples. Let's go on 1-ish time frame once again and see this one over here, okay? This was what? This was the London's high, right? So what it did, it took the London's high in New York session at correct 8 o'clock in New York kill zone, and then it shorts down, okay? And with the bias, with bearish bias, it sells down. And one more time which it did, you can see the Asian session low, right? So you have to mark the Asian session low. This is what it did. It took the Asian session low and then it took the previous day's New York session low also, and then it went bullish, right? And I will show you 3 or 4 more examples and then I will close the video. Like see this one, okay? This was what? This was Asian session high, right? So if you mark this Asian session high, it took the high of the Asian session and then it sells off. And the same thing happened on this day also. It took the Asian high and then sells off. And it keeps on happening. The thing is that you have to go with your bias. If you're not with your bias, you will encounter some losses. For example, like see this one. This was the low of the Asian session, right? But if you would have taken, like this candle took the low of the Asian session, and if you would have taken a buy over here, you would have taken a stop loss over here, right? And like the same thing like this, like first it took the low of the Asian session, so now you will be looking for buys which is against the bias, so you will encounter a loss. and so like in this one also. So this how you have to go with the bias, and you have to look for this. Okay, so I hope you guys understood, and if you guys like this video, drop a like and subscribe if you are new here, and let me know in the comment section that on one topic I should make videos on. So until next time, wish you good luck and good trading.